This is Harry Vocal, the sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Left-wing negatives. Everywhere you go these days, there's people out there that want to bring up modern politics or the way the world is going. And the left-wing side of it, moderates to extreme, are only too happy to get in your face with their strong opinions. And if you disagree, these people who preach inclusion and love and peace get very, very irate. And if you have an opinion about it, they attack full tilt. And if you give them facts, which some of us store in the back of our minds regularly, they put their hand up and don't want to discuss anymore. I've had a mate who refuses to watch Sky News or anyone that is in the middle to the right, and goes on about Channel 10, ABC, and Channel 9 and all the others, especially the ABC, about their opinions on it. And the most interesting thing is that when you say, well, why don't you look at Credlin or Paul Murray or someone like that, they put the hand up and say, I wouldn't watch that. Well, then if you're not going to get informed about the other side, how the fuck can you have such strong opinions about what's going on this side of politics if you refuse to listen or even accept any of it? Therein lies the problem. And this all started with the powers that be that set out with this World Economic Forum to get everybody against each other, divide and conquer, and it's working. The sad thing is that all you left woke idiots should get yourself educated, and then you can have a constructive debate instead of just putting your hand up every time someone with intelligence like me puts facts in your face. This is Harry Vocal.